what is your height?
Meenu, these flowers are beautiful.
Buzz, come here. That auntie is getting scared. Those flowers are not for you. You cannot take honey from them.
I don't want the flowers. I want them for Meenu. Meenu, come here. You can buy these flowers.
Okay, auntie. Can you give me flowers for 2 rupees?
What is she doing?
She is measuring the flowers.
Measuring?
Yes, Buzz. She is seeing how long this string of flowers is. Look, she has given me 2 arms of flowers for 2 rupees.
Oh, 2 arms of flowers. Meenu, put it in your hair. You look beautiful.
Thank you, Buzz.
Cheenu, look at this rope. Will you measure it?
Okay, Buzz. Let me do it. It is 1, 2, 3, 4 arms of rope. It is late. Come, let's go back home.
Meenu, you have long hair. How long is your hair?
Let me see how long is Meenu's hair. It is 1, 2, 3. 3 handspans long.
Hey, this is fun.
Yes, it's fun to do handspans. Look, my face is 1 handspan long. Even my face is 1 handspan long.
Cheenu, how tall am I?
Buzz, you are less than 1 handspan. You are very, very small. Hey, Buzz, stop buzzing in my ears.
Cheenu, how long is your ear? You can only hear me buzz.
Stop talking now, Buzz. My ear is 3 fingers long.
Fingers long? How?
Look, Buzz. It is like this. My nose is 3 fingers long. My forehead is 4 fingers long.
Oh, now I know. Cheenu, what are you doing?
I am going to find out the distance from here to the house. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. It is 20 feet long.
Oh, you can measure with feet also.
Look here, Buzz. This is my foot. So, I keep walking like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the mat is 6 footsteps long.
But how can I do it? I don't have long feet.
come here. Let us do it with a pencil.
With a pencil?
Look, let's put the pencil like this on this table. Now let's do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this table is 10 pencils long.
Hey, Chinu, this is fun. Look, this book is 2 pencils long. I can do it. I can do it.
Look at this book. This book is 2 spans long.
2 spans long? Chinu, can you also do it?
Okay, we will do it for Raja. Raja, come here. He is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 spans long.
But I can't do it with my hands. Can I try with my wings?
Oh, Buzz, stop it.
Oh no, Meenu. Come, look here. This book has grown bigger. It's magic. How did it grow big?
Grow big? No, Buzz. It can't happen. A book is a non-living thing. It cannot grow.
But Meenu, look here. It was 2 pencils long before. Now it has become 4 pencils long.
Hey, Buzz, you are funny. Look at the size of the pencil you are using now. It is so tiny. That is why it is 4 pencils long.
So, this is not right. How will I know if the book is 4 pencils long or 2 pencils long? It is different with different pencils.
Yes, Buzz. It depends on the size of the pencil.
Oh, then when we measure with hands, it depends on the size of the hand.
Yes, it does. That is why we use a ruler or a measuring tape to measure things.
A ruler? Like futta? How do we do it?
I will tell you. Look at this ruler now. Can you see numbers marked?
Yes, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yes, they are in centimeters. Now, let us measure the book with this ruler. Let us keep the edge of the book at 0. Look, it finishes at 20.
Now I know. The book is 20 centimeters long. Now let me measure something else on the ruler. This leaf, let me keep it here. It is 5 centimeters long.
Now let us measure this matchstick on the ruler. Look, it is 4 centimeters long. Let me write it here. 4 centimeters.
Stop, Chinu. What is this? You wrote CM.
Yes, Buzz. We write CM for centimeters. It is a short form. Now, let us measure this pencil. It is 15 centimeters long.
Chinu, give me the ruler. I want to measure Raja's tail. Raja, just stand quietly. I'm measuring your tail with the ruler. Hey, it is 10 centimeters long. Raja, your tail is 10 centimeters long.
Children, what are you doing? Do you want to come with me to the market? I am going to buy some cloth to stitch your uniform.
Market? That will be fun. Grandma, let's go.
Ramu, give me 2 meters of that white cloth. I need it for Chinu's shirt.
Wait, uncle. I have brought my ruler. Let me measure with the ruler. Why are you laughing, Uncle Ramu?
But we don't measure cloth with that ruler. It is small. Look, this is my meter rod. I will measure with this. See, 1, 2. 2 meters of white cloth.
What is meter? I know only centimeter.
Buzz, 100 centimeters make 1 meter. Look at this ruler. This is 1 centimeter. From 0 to 1. But look at this meter rod. This is 1 meter.
Oh, Grandma, this is big. That is why Uncle Ramu uses a meter rod.
Ramu, can you please give me 3 meters of that blue cloth for Minu's skirt?
Sure, Grandma. 1, 2, 3. 3 meters of blue cloth.
Here, Ramu, take this money.
Thank you, Grandma.
Chinu, I also want a meter rod like this. Uncle Ramu, can you give us this rod?
Oh, Buzz. How can Uncle Ramu give his meter rod? He needs it to measure cloth.
Wait, children. I will make a meter rope for you. You can measure things with that.
How will you make a meter rope, Uncle?
Look, I have a rope here. I will keep it on the meter rod. Now, I will put a knot on this end of the rope. This is where the meter rod starts. That is from 0. Now, I will put a knot on the other end. This is where the meter rod ends. Let me cut out the rest of the rope. Look, now this rope is 1 meter long. Your meter rope is ready.
Thank you, Uncle Ramu. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, children.
Grandma, it is fun to measure things. Now we have our own meter rope also. But Grandma, how far is it from Uncle Ramu's shop to our house? Can we use this ruler or meter rope to measure the distance?
No, Buzz. Both are small. It is 1 kilometer from Ramu's shop to our house.
1 kilometer? what is this kilometer? I know centimeter and meter now. What is this kilometer?
Buzz, 1000 meters make 1 kilometer. You have to measure 1000 times with this rope. So a kilometer is much bigger than a meter.
Oh, so we can measure the distances in kilometers. Chinu, how far is school from our home?
Buzz, our school is also 1 kilometer from home. The village hospital is 2 kilometers from home.
Stop, Chinu. What is this? K, M. I know that we write cm for centimeters. So do you write km for kilometers?
Buzz, you are getting smarter by the day. I cannot believe this. You are right. We can write km for kilometers.
But the railway station is very far from home.
Yes, it is 5 kilometers from our home. The town is also very far from home, Buzz. We have to go 10 kilometers to go to the town.
Oh, that is why we go by bus to the town. Now I know centimeters, meters and kilometers.
Okay, let's play a game. I will tell a thing. Buzz, you have to tell us if it can be measured in centimeters, meters or kilometers. Okay, let's start. Length of this flower.
Centimeters.
Length of Ma's sari.
Meters.
Now, let me ask you a question, Buzz. What is Chinu's height?
I think meters. Is that right?
You are right, Buzz. Distance from here to the post office.
Oh, kilometers. Hey, this is fun. Meenu, ask me more.
Length of a banana.
It is centimeters.
Buzz, try this. The depth of a well.
Oh, I don't know this. Meenu, can you help me?
Yes, Buzz. It can be measured in meters.
I am going to get a meter rope. We can measure the width of our door, length of Grandma's cot, and many other things with our rope.
Buzz, let us measure our heights first. Look, I am 1 meter tall. Friends, you can also make a meter rope or use a ruler and measure things. Can you find out your height with a meter rope? How far is your school from your house? Find out. Friends, some things can be measured in centimeters, some in meters, and some in kilometers. Will you answer loudly and help Buzz? Length of a pen. Centimeters. Length of a sari. Meters. Length of your pencil box. Centimeters. Height of a tree. Meters. Width of your TV screen. Centimeters. Distance from your home to your school. Kilometers. Length of a lizard. Centimeters.